I've been driving in my car. It's not quite a Jaguar. I bought it in Primrose Hill from a bloke from Brazil. It was made in '59 in a factory by the time. It says Morris on the door, the GPO was owned before. I drive it in my job, the governor calls me a slob. I don't really care. Give me some gas and open air. It's a bit old but it is mine, I mend it in my spare time. Just last week I changed the oil, like the valves and the coil, just like I love to do. Last week I went round the clock, I had a little length of knock, you know. Did somebody's fender, then tried to park on a bender. I've been driving in my car. It don't look much but I've been far. I drove it up Muswell Hill, even seen a Selsley's bill. Drove it on the A45, had it up to 58. Couple stopped me the other day, mistaken, what can I say? The tires were a little worn, they were okay but I sworn. Driving in my car, satisfied but it ain't gone far. I like driving in my car. It don't look much but I've been far. I like driving in my car, even with a flat tire. I like driving in my car. It's not quite a Jaguar. I like driving in my car. Says 5 but it ain't gone far.